In this video, we'll give a quick demonstration of how a block works using the website anders.com. Let's navigate to http://anders.com/blockchain. When you get to the site, navigate to the block section from the top, and you should end up with a screen that's similar to ours. Here, you'll see a block with a few values: the block number, the nonce, data, and the block hash. The block doesn't have any transactions in it yet, but this all works the same either way. To start, try typing Blockchain Developer Nanodegree Program. Click Mine, and it gives you a hash. This hash is just like the one we had before. It's the result of running all the information through the SHA-256 hash algorithm. The difference now is that if we change the data, say by deleting the word developer, the hash changes and the block turns red. This is just a visual way to show you that this block is no longer valid. It knows that the data no longer matches the original data because the hash value is different. If you change the data back by adding the word developer back in, the block will be valid and turn green. As you mess around with this, notice a few more things. Each time you click Mine for new data, a new nonce is generated. That's the nonce we mentioned earlier, and it's the solution to the problem that we've talked about. Also notice how the final hash value always leads with a few zeros. This amount of zeros is set by the block difficulty. Finally, let's see one more thing. You can change the data, say by removing the word nanodegree, and then click Mine again. This will rerun the mining process to generate a new block, create a valid hash, and turn the block green. The nonce is changed, and so did the hash. Now that we have a valid block, that starts to get a little interesting. What this means is that it's possible to change data and update the hash, maybe before anyone notices it even happened. This means you could actually change the data to whatever you like, which is a huge problem. Security measures have been implemented to ensure this doesn't happen, but it's an interesting idea to think about. We'll cover this more later, but until then, try to think about how you might go about stopping this from happening. That wraps up the demonstration on how blocks work. Feel free to mess around with this website more until you're comfortable with these ideas. And when you're ready, we'll see you in the next concept.